Hello, everyone. Welcome back to SpeakEasy English. I'm James, and I'm really happy you're here today. If you want to speak English fluently, listening is the first step. Before we start, relax. You don't need to write or repeat yet. Just listen. Many learners focus only on grammar, but fluency comes from listening. When you listen every day, your brain learns the sound and rhythm of English. This is how speaking becomes natural. So today, please don't translate in your head. Translation is slow. Instead, try to understand the feeling of the sentence. Is it friendly, serious, or a question? You don't need to understand every word. Just relax and let your ears work. This is not a test, it's training.
Hi everyone, I'm Julia. If you're a beginner or you feel nervous about English, that's okay. Everyone starts like this. Today, your only job is to listen. No grammar rules, no pressure. Our goal today is simple. Train your ears, not your grammar. When your listening improves, speaking will follow naturally. Enjoy the sounds, be patient with yourself, and trust the process.
All right, let's begin. Just listen and enjoy.
Now we are going to start our listening warm-up. Don't worry, these sentences are very simple. Just listen carefully and enjoy. I will say each sentence slowly with a short pause so you can hear every word. Remember, just listen for now. Don't repeat yet. Here we go. I wake up early every day. I like to drink coffee in the morning. I go for a walk in the park. I read a book before I sleep. I enjoy listening to music. I talk to my friends on the phone. That's it. These are simple sentences we use every day. Try to notice the sounds and rhythm of English. Don't think about grammar too much. Just listen carefully and feel the flow.
Great. Now I'm going to say the same sentences, but in natural speed, just like we speak in real life. Listen carefully and notice how it sounds when spoken naturally. I wake up early every day. I like to drink coffee in the morning. I go for a walk in the park. I read a book before I sleep. I enjoy listening to music. I talk to my friends on the phone. Do you hear the rhythm? How some words are connected and some are softer than others? That's natural English. Viewers, remember, just listen. Don't repeat yet. Let your ears get used to the sounds. Try to feel the sentences, not just understand the words. This warm-up will help you recognize English patterns more easily. Now take a deep breath and relax. Listening is the first step to speaking confidently. The more you listen, the faster your brain learns English naturally. Next, we will move to a longer conversation where you can hear English in real-life situations. But first, just enjoy these sentences and feel the rhythm. Hi, Julia. How's your morning going today?
Hi, James. My morning is good, thank you. I woke up early and had a cup of coffee. What about you?
I woke up a little late today, actually, but I still managed to go for a short walk in the park. The weather was really nice.
That sounds lovely. Did you see many people in the park?
Yes, a few people were jogging and some were walking their dogs. Oh, and I saw a little kid playing with a kite. It was really cute.
Oh, that sounds fun. I love seeing kids play outside. It makes the morning feel happy, doesn't it?
Exactly. And after my walk, I came home and had breakfast. I made eggs and toast. What did you have for breakfast?
I had oatmeal with some fruits and honey. It was simple but healthy.
Nice. I should try oatmeal next time. Sometimes I eat too much bread and coffee.
Oh, bread is always delicious, but oatmeal is really good too. It gives you energy for the morning.
That's true. By the way, do you have any plans for today?
Yes, I'm going to the library to read a new book I borrowed yesterday, and later I might call my friend to chat.
Sounds like a relaxing day. I'm planning to work on some writing today. Maybe I'll write a short story.
Wow, that's interesting. What will your story be about?
I'm thinking about a story with a boy and his dog. They go on a small adventure in the city.
That sounds exciting. I can't wait to hear it when it's ready.
Thank you. Oh, it's almost lunchtime. I think I'll make a sandwich soon.
Good idea. I should also prepare something light for lunch.
All right, Julia. I hope you enjoy your day at the library.
Thank you, James. Have a great day writing your story.
Thanks. Talk to you later.
Just listen and enjoy the conversation. Notice the rhythm, the friendly tone, and the small pauses we use. Don't worry about understanding every word. Just feel the natural flow of English.
Now, we are going to focus on some key phrases from our conversation. These are sentences and expressions you will hear a lot in daily life. I'll say them slowly, break them into small parts, and repeat them naturally. Just listen carefully. The first phrase, how's your morning going today? Let's break it down. How's equals how is. Your morning is the morning that belongs to you. Going today is how is it happening today? So the full sentence asks, how is your morning? Are you having a good morning? Next phrase, I woke up early and had a cup of coffee. I woke up early is I got out of bed early, and had a cup of coffee is I drank coffee. This is a common way to talk about your morning routine. Another phrase, it makes the morning feel happy, doesn't it? It makes is it causes. Feel happy is gives a happy feeling. Doesn't it is this is a question tag used to ask for agreement. So this is how we show our feelings and invite agreement.
Now, I'll explain these phrases in very simple English so you can use them easily. How's your morning going today? You can use this to ask anyone how their day started, for example, with friends, family, or coworkers. I woke up early and had a cup of coffee. Use this to talk about your morning habits. You can change it to your own routine, like I woke up late and had tea. It makes the morning feel happy, doesn't it? You can use this to describe how something makes you feel and ask someone if they agree. For example, this song makes me feel happy, doesn't it?
Let's do one more. I'm going to the library to read a new book I borrowed yesterday. I'm going to equals I will go to. The library equals a place with books. To read a new book equals the purpose of going is reading. I borrowed yesterday equals I took it yesterday.
Exactly. This is a perfect sentence to talk about plans. You can also say, I'm going to the park to play football, or I'm going to the cafe to meet a friend.
Great. Remember, listeners, these are key phrases you will hear every day. Listen to them again and again and try to notice how we connect words naturally. Don't worry about speaking yet. Just focus on understanding and feeling the sentences.
Yes, the more you listen to these phrases, the easier it will be to use them in real life. Try to notice small words, pauses, and the natural rhythm.
All right, now that we've focused on these key phrases, we're ready to practice repeating them together in the next section.
Now it's time for our repeat after me practice. In this part, I will say each sentence slowly, and you will have a few seconds to repeat it out loud. Don't worry if it's not perfect. The important thing is to practice listening and speaking together. Ready? Let's begin. The first sentence. How's your morning going today? Now your turn. Repeat out loud.
How's your morning going today? Great. Next sentence. I woke up early and had a cup of coffee. Repeat after me. It makes the morning feel happy, doesn't it?
Excellent. Next, I'm going to the library to read a new book I borrowed yesterday. Repeat carefully.
I'm going to the library to read a new book I borrowed yesterday.
Well done. Now another sentence. I talk to my friends on the phone every evening. Say it out loud.
I talk to my friends on the phone every evening.
Perfect. Keep listening and repeating. The more you practice, the easier it will get. Don't worry if you make small mistakes. Even native speakers make them sometimes. The goal is fluency, not perfection.
Yes, remember, repeat these sentences daily. Your mouth and ears will start working together, and speaking English will feel more natural.
That's right. Listen first, then speak. Little by little, you'll notice your English improving.
All right, viewers, now it's your turn. Repeat these sentences out loud several times today, and don't forget to have fun while practicing.
Repeat out loud now. Feel the rhythm, the natural pauses, and the sounds. Practice makes perfect.
Now it's time for a mini listening check. This is a fun way to see how much you understood from our conversation and key phrases. Don't worry if you don't get everything right. This is just practice, and it's okay to make mistakes. Ready? Let's start. Here's the first question. What did Julia have for breakfast? Think carefully. Don't say it out loud yet.
The answer is, I had oatmeal with some fruits and honey. See? That's simple. If you didn't get it, that's totally fine. Just listen and try again next time.
Great. Next question. Where is Julia going later in the day? Take a moment and think.
Yes, that's right. Julia said, I'm going to the library to read a new book I borrowed yesterday. Even if you didn't hear every word, you probably got the main idea. And that's what matters most. Understanding the meaning is more important than every single word.
Perfect. One more question. What did James do in the morning? Think carefully.
The answer is, I woke up a little late, went for a short walk in the park, and had breakfast. If you didn't catch every detail, don't worry. You understood the main activities, and that's the goal. Exactly. Remember, listening is about catching the main ideas, the feelings, and the important words. You don't need to understand every single word perfectly. The more you practice, the easier it gets. Yes, and even if you made mistakes, that's a sign you're learning. Keep listening, keep practicing, and soon your brain will recognize English faster. All right, viewers, congratulations on completing the mini listening check. Take a moment to think about these sentences and phrases again. Repeating them in your mind or out loud will help you remember them better. And don't forget, it's okay to rewind the video and listen again. Every time you listen, your English is improving. Keep going and enjoy the process. Now, take a short pause and think. Can you answer these questions without looking back? Try it. You made it to the end of today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed listening and repeating with us. Before we finish, I want to remind you of something very important. Fluency doesn't come from memorizing grammar or vocabulary alone. Fluency comes from listening every day. The more you hear English, the more your brain gets used to the sounds, the rhythm, and the natural flow of sentences. Listening is your first step towards speaking confidently.
Exactly, Julia. And it doesn't take hours every day. Even 10 to 15 minutes of listening daily can make a huge difference. Listen to conversations, stories, or even short videos, anything that helps you hear English naturally. Your brain will start recognizing patterns, common phrases, and pronunciation without you even trying too hard. Little by little, day by day, you'll notice that speaking becomes easier and more natural.
That's right. Don't be afraid of mistakes, and don't worry if you don't understand everything at first. Every time you listen, you're improving. Your ears are learning, your brain is learning, and soon your mouth will follow. Practice consistently, and you'll see real progress.
Yes, remember, even native speakers make mistakes. The key is practice, consistency, and confidence. Keep listening, keep repeating, and enjoy the process. English is not just a language. It's a skill that grows when you use it every day. So, viewers, subscribe to SpeakEasy English so you never miss a lesson. Practice every day, even for a few minutes, and speak with confidence.
Your English is improving step by step, and we're so happy to be part of your learning journey.
Keep listening, keep enjoying English, and don't give up. Every little effort counts.
Absolutely. And we can't wait to see you in the next lesson, where we'll practice more conversations, key phrases, and fun exercises.
Subscribe to SpeakEasy English. Practice every day. Speak with confidence. You've got this.